He was in 11. Dr. Rich was wonderful today. Almost had me in tears, happy tears, almost, just a little bit. He's a wonderful speaker, and his optimism and joy is very contagious. So
I loved that he's talking about kind of restoring the humanity and the human aspects of medicine. I think, you know, with time and pressures to see patients and produce and bill, people get burned out, and that's the first thing to go.
Why did I get started in medicine? So when I was 7 years old, I spent 2.5 years of my life in a wheelchair and on crutches because of a hip condition I had. When I was 11, my mom was diagnosed with schizophrenia, and my parents got a divorce. It was very tumultuous, and one thing that I found, that no matter how low I may have been feeling, how challenged I felt I was, if I spent time around people who were smiling, laughing, and having a good time, it would lift me up. It made me feel better, and it made a difference in my life.
I think patients can benefit from the Universal Smile Score in very much the same way they benefit from the pain scale. It gives them this numerical way to quantify how they are interacting with the world around them. It can help them reflect on what they're feeling and ways that they can improve on their own life.
We put mirrors up around the office because you're supposed to smile and dial and look at yourself. And it worked a little bit. They get pushed to the side. There was only one way that I could get my team to smile more. I had to show up. And I had to smile more. Even though I didn't feel like it, I was pretty stressed out and frustrated because things weren't going well in the office.
So I believe that patients that I'll be working with will benefit from the Universal Smile Score through my positive energy. Well-rounded and a healthy physician is going to be smiling and positive.
I think it'll be personally benefit for me for my own emotional health.
Have you ever met someone who tries to dominate a situation with negativity? You ever seen that before? It works. It works. But so does positivity.
I loved his enthusiasm, and I loved just the way that he made me feel while I was listening. When you smile, it makes you feel better in every way, and stress is a huge factor in society right now, and it's an enormous way that people end up getting sick in the first place.
Honestly, I don't know that there's a physician out there that wouldn't benefit from this. But I can say for sure, you know, the people that I work with on a day-to-day basis in my departments, I'm sure would love to hear this.
I thought the presentation was definitely very inspiring, and the whole theme of it's very simple about the idea of needing to smile, but I think it'll definitely change the culture in a very positive way. I think the patients will definitely benefit from perhaps increased trust with the physicians, with the system, more positive feelings about visiting the doctor and about the healthcare system in general, and with their emotional health as well, being happier in their lives.
And I believe that my patients will trust me more and feel more comfortable with me when they see that kind of energy.